Peace and wellness, fam. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day, manifesting the innate gifts that are from within. I stated many times before that the female is the most powerful and most important human on the planet. Like all humans, both male and female, Western culture has curated an environment of undiscipline and apathy via the use of technology. Not that technology is inherently bad or good. When we speak of the female, we're speaking of her ability to a 99.9% degree of certainty be able to calculate when she is ovulating, therefore being able to determine when she will or will not become pregnant. Do not allow yourself not to master yourself in lieu of easy technological outage that can be taken from you. Rely